Hey guys, you want to see the dizzy spin?
Okay.
The dizzy basketball spin?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Woo! Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah,
Ooh!
man.
Dang!
I'm very dizzy.
He's really good. Ooh! Oh, I thought you did a toilet. That's a toilet.
Hey, you gonna want to see toilet?
Yeah. Oh, that's not a toilet. That they got. Oh, that's a toilet. Be
Okay,
sick.
think that this is poop.
Yeah, he's gonna try to make it to the toilet. Ooh. He made it.
It's like
It was hot poop. Hot poop.
hot that will go through your
It's
brain.
kind of like hot potato.
Oh, them.
It's kind of like hot potato.
Oh,
Ooh. Oops! Oopsies! The boob went on the wrong one. Your mom is gonna see that. Woo!
Scream as loud as you can.
Okay. Ready? If you miss, then I will. Come on.
Hey, you hear that? Come. Come.
Look, you guys hear that? I see the bats. Oh, let's get inside.
No, they're good.
You guys?
Finally, we got. Hey, guys, you saw that thing going up the pine tree?
That's a bat.
No, that's not bat. That's a creature.
Huh?
A mysterious creature. And
That's a cat.
That's a panther. Nah, just kidding. Okay, but you guys saw that?
Yeah.
It's still hanging right there. This should be in the 5 top secrets.
Ooh, there's a car.
People don't know what kind of creature is that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dang. We saw those bats, man.
No, that's not bat. That's a creature.
That's a bat.
That's not a bat. That's no.
Oh, I thought I stopped recording, but I did it.
Hey guys, comment down below if it's a bat or a creature.
Yeah, comment. If it's a bat, then you guys will win a free video game. If you guys say it's a creature, then you still win a free video game.
Follow us on Snapchat.
And Twitter.
We don't have Twitter.
Yeah, there is Twitter. Oh, we have to get 100,000 views. I mean, subscribers. Remember?
Hey, we at least get 2K?
Yeah, because we never got a billion or something like that.
Come on.
People got lots of subscribers.
But we don't know how they make that.
Yeah, they're like video games. How do they do that?
Come on, guys, make our dream come true.
Yeah. If we don't, then we'll just stop.
Making videos.
Yeah. Or just like stop recording
And erasing all the.
the videos.
Oh, you guys hear that again?
It's like shh, shh. Hear that? Hear that?
Oh, it's coming in.
Look at that, guys. Dude, it's flying. Oh, it went back.
Lighter.
No, it did.
Alright, I'm gonna see that. Hey, guys. Is he lying or is he telling the truth? Comment down below.
Look, you guys saw that, guys. You saw that in this video.
Come on, comment your name. We wanna
Tell us.
We wanna know your name.
Just give us a 2K subscribers.
Hey, come on, guys. Follow me at Jose on Freud.
Yeah.
XXX Tentacion died, and we support him.
Yeah.
And
We love him.
we love him. We
We wish he was alive. What?
subscribers you have.
Oh. Oh my god, that was just... Maybe it's actually views. Ooh. getting a lot of subscribers. I don't know if we are. I don't know if we are. I don't know if we're not. Wait, hear that, guys?
Oh, that's coming from this side. Look.
No, it's that side.
No.
Oh, yeah, that side.
Look.
And also that side.
Look.
No?
Oh, it's coming from here, from here, from here.
Here?
Hey, guys, what's your favorite food?
Hey.
Mine, macaroni and cheese, meat, and
Quesadillas.
quesadillas.
Mine is quesadillas, pizza,
And
and
I like sandwiches.
wait, is that a bat flying? Look, come. Is that a bat flying and trying not to fall? And that edge right over there.
Hey,
See,
guys, comment down below if you want us to catch lizards and all that.
comment down below if you want to see a bat closer. Comment, but we have to be at night. We have to get a flashlight. They won't bite us if we be good. If we don't or throw a rock at them, then they'll bite us. We'll get rabies.
And die.
Yeah, they'll bite us everywhere.
Hey, is there a lot of animals more than people?
Comment. That's a comment. I know we're seeing a lot of comments, but we have to.
We don't have to, but we want to ask questions.
Yeah, we'd have to.
To ask you guys questions.
Oh, you guys, you know what's the best one? You know, whenever Kermit the Frog, that video, that was awesome.
Hey, guys,
I was like right here. And then it moved like,
guys,
moved
comment
like,
down below if you
Yeah.
guys like when he was in the restroom and he was like, stop,
get out, get out.
get out.
Yeah, stop, get out, get out, get out, come on, get out. I was like that, huh? But you didn't see my body.
Comment down below if you guys like, if you want us to make funny stuff,
Yeah,
or it's up to you guys.
yeah, it's up to you guys. He was about to make it, and he's about to make it, and boom. Ooh. Oh, that hit his stomach. Let's see if they're flying. They're flying. It looks like one is flying on the palm tree.
Oh, you heard it?
It was like a baby.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah, we got. Shut up, cars.
or probably they're eating stuff.
Shh, quiet. I heard that again. I heard that baby noise. I don't hear it.
Guys, comment down below what was your favorite video.
And then if we get like 2K 2K subscribers, then we'll make like games videos.
Um,
I'm serious. We will.
guys,
What? What?
if we reach a lot of subscribers, then we'll make shout outs and all that. But we need at least 1K followers.
We'll play Roblox. If you play Roblox, then
We might add you guys.
yeah, we might add you as a friend. And you guys see my profile? Mine. It's getting louder. Okay. Oh.
I was late there.
I know. Oh. Oh.
Hey!
Oh. Heard that, guys? Heard that? It's getting louder. Oh. Shh. 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 Heard that, guys? That's the
Down
best.
below if you guys like playing PUBG.
Comment down below if it's eating or if it's a baby bat. All right. Comment down below when he made a toilet. So yeah. So we'll just
And the video here.
yeah. Our name in Roblox, we might make one.
Mine's 536613RO123. Add me, and I might be on tomorrow.
Okay. Well,
Around 5.
I'm gonna.
Like around 5.
My name is XPro94. I have another one. That's another one.
And show them your other one.
You know these arms? You know these arms?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's what I have. I have Robux. Well, I wasted all of them.
Can I have some?
I wasted them.
When are you gonna buy more?
I don't know. Maybe like in a month. And then I'll just try to give you some. I don't know how to.
Where do you buy them?
Gift cards? So, gift cards. Oh, at Walmart? What?
Hey.
This-
We live in Santa Maria.
Okay. We'll try to hurry up, okay?
We live in Santa Maria by a park called Krogan Park.
And then our address is Via Cardo 2016. And then what our phone number is 805. I don't know. I just know